Welcome back to Pittsburgh Living. I'm Shelley Duffy. Right now, let's welcome Nicole Schott from Swift Audiology. Welcome to our show today.
Thank you for having me.
It's always so fascinating to hear about the advancements that you have made with hearing devices. And I want to know now if there are more health benefits than just obviously helping you hear.
Yes, so recent advancements in hearing aid technology, specifically the use of artificial intelligence and 3D motion sensors, has really allowed us to bridge the gap between simply helping you hear better and really looking at your overall health and wellness. One of the things that we've noticed is that it reduces tinnitus, so ringing in your ears. Many patients, simply by correcting the hearing loss, notice an improvement that day. Others use a masker or a sound soother in the hearing aid, and it reduces their stress and anxiety. One of the interesting things that we've found lately is that you may actually increase your earning potential by wearing a hearing aid.
Okay, tell me how to do this, because I'm going to get one no matter what.
So what we found is the Better Hearing Institute found that people that have untreated hearing loss can earn up to $30,000 less than their age-matched partner at work doing the same job function, simply because of a lack of confidence or not necessarily going out and networking and feeling comfortable. So it's amazing how you can have benefits both socially and physically.
It is pretty amazing what a confidence boost can do for you, and you just something like that. And you would never think that when you talk about hearing aids, but it's so true. So what's the connection between the cognitive brain and the hearing and all of those things? How's that all work together with hearing aids?
Yeah, so we're living longer than we ever have before. And our main goal is to help you age gracefully and to stay independent. And what we have found is that there is a link between untreated hearing loss and early onset dementia. Yeah, the University of Pennsylvania found that people who do not wear hearing aids and do not correct that loss, their brain actually starts to atrophy. And what that means is it's a change. So just like we exercise and we're so good about going to the gym and building our muscles and maintaining our physique, it is really important for your brain to get auditory stimulation. That's how it's exercised.
So let's talk about, you had mentioned about the new technology and all kinds of things going on there. We talked a little bit before we came on the air. I am fascinated by what hearing aids are able to do now. So please explain to everybody.
Yes, so when I mention artificial intelligence, initially it may sound a little intimidating, but really it's designed to make your life as the hearing aid user easier. So what it's doing, the hearing aid itself is scanning the environment and realizing the types of situations that you're in and what your preferences are. That way, when you come back to our office, we can really personalize the device just for you. So patients are hearing better in background noise at restaurants. They're reporting that the hearing aids are crisp and clear. And the other thing that the artificial intelligence does, it actually translates 27 languages in real time.
That is just amazing. So if you go somewhere, you're able to have it translated for you? How does that work?
So what happens, the hearing aid detects the voice that's speaking to you. It will then say it in English in your ears. And then if you tell the app on your phone what you want to say back, it actually instructs you how to say it back in that foreign language.
That is incredible. So what else does it do? What are some other things that can help, as well as with health benefits, maybe some of this artificial intelligence too?
So the other thing is the 3D motion sensors. So when we connect your hearing aid to your device using Bluetooth, on the app every day you get a brain and a body score. So the body score is looking at how many steps you're taking, how active you've been, how often you get up and move throughout time. So it's actually allowing you to have an activity tracker on your ears, so you don't have to wear one on your wrist or your waist anymore. Then your brain score is based on how many hours a day you're wearing the device and that you're going to varied environments. So what we're finding is that by allowing the patient to keep track of their health, we're actually seeing a reduction in stress, social isolation, anxiety. So it's providing a lot of benefits.
It really is, like I said, again, you think about all these futuristic things and it's kind of interesting to think about, wow. And now what about, I think you had mentioned too, Life Alert and that type of thing. Does that also included in One
Yes.
of the newer?
So all of us have a family member who we're concerned about them falling. Maybe they don't want to wear a neck-worn device or have one more thing to remember. Coming in a few months, the hearing aid will actually be able to detect if your loved one has fallen. And if they do not alert the hearing aid that they're fine, it will actually start to call their emergency contacts and to let them know that they've fallen and they are potentially injured. The other thing that it has, we know a lot of our patients can't always get to our office. If you're working and you're out of town or you've just had a surgery, the hearing aids now have remote programming. So what that means is you send me a message and we actually video chat from the comfort of your home, and I can adjust the hearing aid that way.
Oh, this is just wonderful news, and I'm sure everybody watching is so excited about it. We have about a minute left, so do you offer any demos or trials so that people can try these things out first?
Yes, if you think that this might be something that would benefit you, we encourage you to come in for a free hearing evaluation. We'll talk about your lifestyle and find a device that may work for you. You then are allowed to wear it for 1 week at no cost and obligation, so you can try it with your grandchildren. You can go to your favorite restaurant and see if this benefits you in the way that we hope.
Yeah, and a lot of times too, you know, back in the day, hearing aids always had, you know, all this noise, and it was tough to really even hear when you had one. It didn't make it because of all the background noise. And it sounds as though you have come, you know, so far with this technology. So that's a wonderful thing for anybody who would need your services.
It is. We just look forward to seeing them at Swift Audiology.
All right. Thank you so much, Nicole. We appreciate it. If you would like to know more about Swift Audiology, just call Nicole at 877-HEAR-SWIFT or visit swiftaudiology.com. We'll be back.